Hey guys, it's me and I'm here to share my latest sew. It's Simplicity 8656 and it's a really nice pattern. It's beginner friendly. It's only 3 pieces. This is the skirt. I love this side piece. It's like a little piece that just hangs and looks cute, and it's really nice. It's just this piece in the waistband. Like I said, it's beginner friendly and it's super quick and easy to make. Then there's a shirt that goes with this pattern as well. And the pattern, the shirt is basically a crop shirt, really easy, one piece. I cut this pattern in an extra large, and I cut the neck a little longer because I wanted to have this effect to it. So I cut it a little longer in the neck, so it'll be a little wider here. But I cut it in extra large. I did have to add a piece into the side, which if you need to add into this pattern, believe it or not, to make it bigger, it's actually really easy because it has one seam down the side. So you can kind of just add to it, and then you just have your waist and you gather, and you still keep this side the same. So it wasn't really hard to add into it. So I did add 4 inches into the side because, as you can see, I'm hippie. So I added into the side. So this is the shirt. It's a crop shirt. This was an extra large. I could have made this shirt probably in a large or even an extra large. I didn't really need the extra large because, as you can see, I'm smaller on the top than I am on the bottom. The curse of my life, but it is what it is, and I deal with it. That's why I love to sew, because it's easy for you to adapt your sews to fit your shape the way you want it to. I chose to keep this an extra large because if I don't wear it with the skirt, I do want it to have this oversized look. But if I want to downsize it and not have it be so oversized, there's a quick fix for this. You can just tuck it in, and you can wear it like this and just blouse it over, and you can go, and it's fine just like this. Or if you want to add to it, I had this belt. I got it off of Temu for like $5. But you can always make this belt. You can always just use a piece of false leather and just fold it in half, put a seam down it, and make your own belt. Or you can add any other belt that you may have in your closet to get this same look. But I chose to use this belt to give it that extra look and that extra pop that it needed. And it also doesn't help, you know, kind of accentuates the hips as well. So you can always do a quick fix like this to just bring it in, and there you go, voila. Style, pizzazz. Ha! I love this pattern. First of all, I'm a person who loves quick and easy sews. I have sewn for many years, and when I work for other people, I do really detailed pieces and detailed work. So when I sew for myself, I like quick, simple, and easy. And this is a great pattern. Once again, it's Simplicity 8656. It's only 3 pieces to this pattern: a waistband, the skirt, and the shirt. Quick, easy. It comes in size, I believe, small to extra large. I don't know if it's still in print. I will make sure I put a picture of it here for you to see. I hope you enjoy my share, and there'll be some more pics after this just so you get to styling a little more. But hope you enjoy, and I hope you will look into making some simple, quick sews for yourself, just to, you know, add to your wardrobe. So, bye. See you soon.